I hope you guys are able to solve this assignment, but if not, let's do that together. So let's say we have a list, LST, okay? Don't try to create a list by using LIST because LIST is, since you can see that it turns green, so it has some predefined meaning in it. It has a keyword, right? So list is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? So we have a list of 10 numbers. Now we want to print even and odd, right? So we'll say for number in LST, right? This is how we iterate over the list. Now here we want to check if it is even or odd, right? So we'll say number, if number modulus 2 is equals to 0, then it is what? Then it is going to be, first of all, we'll have to print the number, right? So we'll say this number, colon. So if it is, its modulus with 2 is 0, then it is going to be even. Otherwise, it is surely going to be odd, right? So let me do it like that and just print it odd over here. If you're worried that I did not change anything over here, I just changed the label, right? Because number is going to be the same. First time it is going to be 1, second time it is going to be 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, right? That is the beauty of for loop. So running it, there we go. 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, and so on and so forth. Now, even if in this list we have tons of numbers, does not matter. All we have to do is just write the loop, if condition, else condition, and print statement, and we're good to go. So that is about lists. We have used lists in the loop as well, and we will talk about list much more in upcoming videos. But it is time to talk about the other data structures.